there! In this video, I will show you how to make the best prebiotic cocktail juice. It's amazing! You will need 1 apple, 1 orange, 1 beetroot, 1 persimmon. You will also need a small amount of ginger, mint, black pepper, salt, and honey. Cut all of them up in small pieces. Add all of them to the blender. Add 1 tablespoon of hashab prebiotic. This is pure Acacia Prebiotic Fiber, which so far has the highest prebiotic content in the natural world. The powder is made without heating or grinding, which is perfect for health benefits. Add honey. Add 1 glass of water. Blend it well. Enjoy!